This is how I would learn to day trade if I could completely start over. For some context, I've been trading for about 3 years and I've made over 6 figures from trading. I went to college and studied real estate business, graduated and got a diploma, and was thinking about getting a job in the real estate industry. You know, the typical matrix route. But one day, I decided to say fuck it and go all in on my forex trading. And I thought to myself that I can make more money trading than an actual job. So why bother working at a real job? So I studied my ass off and spent 6 months learning everything there is to know about forex trading. And I've been teaching and mentoring my private students for a while now. And most of them actually went on to become profitable full-time traders themselves. So if I found a video like this one teaching me step by step on how to go about learning to trade right from the start, I would have mastered forex trading 10 times faster. So there are 3 important phases of trading. Number 1, the learning phase. Number 2, the testing phase. And number 3, the execution phase. Step 1 is to learn from one expert. There is no need to reinvent the wheel and try to come up with your own trading strategy. If it has worked for somebody else, it's probably gonna work for you too. That is why I will recommend you to find a mentor. The key to success is to follow someone who is already successful at trading, someone who actually knows what he's doing, and try to emulate his thinking. There are a lot of free information out there on YouTube and the internet to learn from. And it can get quite overwhelming because there are so many thousands of trading strategies out there and you do not know which one to pick. And everything is like all over the place and so messy and you do not know where to start. I personally post new trading videos every week for absolutely free with insanely valuable information in them. And the thing is, there are a ton of YouTubers that are doing the exact same thing out there. I would advise you to find one YouTuber that you like and watch as many videos as you can from them. So I want you to set aside one day of the week, like example a Saturday, and spend that entire day just for learning how to trade. So I will spend that Saturday watching YouTube videos, studying online courses, and reading free trading books, getting my hands on all the information about trading. And remember, no matter how good you become as a trader, you should always be learning and trying to improve your trading. Till this day, I am still constantly trying to learn advanced trading strategies and reading books on trading psychology. The second step is to join a community. You know the cliche quote where they say, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with? That is actually true. I found that the most closest 5 people that I spend my time with, they are all quite driven and quite goal-oriented, and they know what to do and what they want in life. So if you want to become a successful trader yourself, you need to surround yourself with successful traders. I have a Discord server named the Trading Tribe where you can join for free and talk to other like-minded traders who want to learn just like you. Every single tribe member has either achieved or is working hard towards the ultimate goal of becoming a successful trader. You can post your chart setups, ask questions, and even see other people's ideas and strategies to see what works for them. And the thing is, there are a shit ton of nice people in the Discord server that will be happy to help you out on your trading journey. So click the link in the description right now if you want to join the Discord tribe. So the second phase is the testing phase. You should be trading on a demo account before you trade a live account. You should not be trading live account unless you are profitable on your demo account. Do not rush the process. When I first started out, I was just like you. I hated my job and how broke I was, and I wanted to quit my job as soon as possible. So I only spent 1 month trading a demo account and that was it. The next thing you know, I opened a live account, deposited $500 into that account, and I blew the entire $500 account in 2 days. So if I had to start over, I would spend much more time to trade on a demo account. Here's the secret. When you are trading a demo account, you must treat it as though it is your own real hard-earned money. Try to trade the same amount of money that you would as if it is real. Try to make yourself believe that it is real, so that you can feel the exact same emotions as you would in a live trade. And it is very, very important that you try to do this, please guys. Remember, you should only start trading a live account when you have found a successful trading strategy and you have done through testing, back testing, front testing, all that stuff, and you have learned how to control your emotions when you are trading and practice proper risk management, etc. And most importantly, you are consistently profitable with your strategy. So once you have these things, only then should you move on to trade a live account. So a lot of new traders skip this step and jump straight into trading a live account, and they end up losing a shit ton of money that they should have lost. So please guys, do not rush the process. Now here's my unfiltered advice to beginner traders or new traders who want to learn trading fast. If there is a to-do list for new traders, step 1 is to lose money. It is almost guaranteed that if you are a new trader, you are probably going to lose money. So you might as well save that money and practice first until you are confident in your trading ability, and then use real money. And when you do actually start a live trading account, remember to start small because you're gonna lose that money fast. A lot of you probably saw your favorite trading guru living the lifestyle that you have always dreamed of. Driving fast cars, living in a big mansion with like 5 side chicks by their side. And the next thing you know, you start watching 3 trading videos and you expect to become a millionaire trader the next week. That is not how it works, bro. Just like anything in life, it takes time to be good at trading. And trust me, it's worth the work. So when you are first starting out, you should not be thinking about profits at all. You should be focused on learning, finding a winning trading strategy that works, testing that strategy, and trying to improve as a trader. Trust me, the profits will come as a byproduct when you improve as a trader. So put in the work to learn, and I promise you that the market will reward you and the money will come later. The third phase is the execution phase. So the final step will be to find a successful trading strategy that actually works and use it on a live trading account. So you can check out this video right here where I show you my own trading strategy which is back tested and it works. Alright, so click on this video to find out more. And smash on that like button if you have learned something from this video, and click on that subscribe button to become part of our tribe and our movement. Welcome to the tribe, and remember, you're just one trade away. Mwah.